Hey, what's up guys? It's Tuesday the 7th of October and it's just gone past 3. I'm off to the gym, do some training. Every day's going well. But we're going to go do some work because I said that's a fair bit of work. Happy to get there and get it done. Now get some fuel into the body, have some food. And you know what? I might double back. You never know. First meal. Just watching this bloke that I know who use a bit of chocolate. Drop his nuts to this chick over here. It's quite like that, you know. Pretty tough lifestyle they live, you know. I could just tell by when I walked past him, I knew that he was up to nothing good, and then I saw that aggressive female and a younger fella come across and yeah. So he ran inside the building for a bit of safety. Those are some of our people in our community, so we'll probably be dealing with them tomorrow at some stage. Just dropping from the hood, I'm going to shoot off to the gym and do that second session, you know? Do some more training. Let's go do some training. Was definitely worth it. Glad we went in for that second session to do some training. It's getting a bit darker, so I'm gonna go home, get some dinner and fuel up, get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be busy, super busy. But from what we've seen transpire in the neighborhood a bit, there's a bit of sketchiness going on. You gotta be mindful of what happens in that part of the community. So, gotta keep your eyes and ears open and just be really aware of what happens and what's about around you, who's around, all that sort of stuff. You got to live in peace, eh?